Imagine a world where lush gardens thrive effortlessly, where the air is free from the noise and fumes of traditional gardening power tools. A future where sustainability meets innovation, autonomous, eco-friendly, and smart. That's the future GrowBot is creating. GrowBot was born from the frustration of noisy, polluting, and disruptive traditional gardening power tools. Gas-powered mowers, blowers, and trimmers negatively impact communities with noise and pollution, making both indoor and outdoor spaces uncomfortable. The problem: traditional landscaping and gardening power tools are inefficient and harmful to people, pets, wildlife, and the environment. The solution: an eco-friendly robot transforming gardening, tackling food shortages, preventing wildfires, and enabling sustainable living. GrowBot is more than just a tool. It's a lifestyle movement toward a greener, safer, and more self-sustaining world. Designed to protect the environment, enhance food security, and reduce wildfire risks, it empowers communities with sustainable technology. By harnessing the power of innovation and renewable energy, GrowBot is redefining the way we care for our land and our future. Our journey begins with crowdfunding to secure funding and build early support. During this phase, we'll finalize the prototype design and create a 3D model. Next, we'll develop a fully functional prototype and conduct testing. Finally, we'll deploy small batch manufacturing to bring GrowBot to gardens across America. GrowBot will sell through crowdfunding platforms, e-commerce platforms, and direct sales. GrowBot will offer premium subscription services for maintenance, upgrades, and software updates. Additionally, GrowBot will form licensing partnerships with landscapers, agricultural businesses, and smart home companies to broaden our market reach. We're seeking support for GrowBot through crowdfunding to raise funds and build a community of early adopters with exclusive rewards. We're also looking for angel investors who are passionate about ecotech, sustainable innovation, and robotics, offering capital, mentorship, and industry connections. Additionally, we plan to apply for grants that support sustainable innovation, green tech, and food security initiatives. We're seeking investors, strategic partners, and customers who align with our mission to change the future of gardening. Join us to support the mission to create a sustainable, eco-friendly world. Together, we can revolutionize gardening, promote sustainability, and help protect our planet for future generations. Thank you for your time and consideration.